Hi, Kat. My name's Christian with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services, like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you, so you're not going to be competing with multiple other agents and playing the game of who pays the most money gets the leads. All right. The leads that come through your own website are going to be exclusive to you. So I do see that it shows you're a licensed realtor. So I would like to point out that that's good that you have that on your Facebook page so people know. Believe it or not, a lot of realtors don't even have that. So looks like you are a realtor at Platinum Realty of St. Louis. Which I believe this is not the website. So here's where we're going to go. A couple things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. We'll do citations first. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank in this map pack. And so I typed in St. Louis Realtors, and we got the St. Louis Realtors Association, we got St. Louis Commercial Realty, we got Coldwell Banker. All right. Now, I know you work for Platinum Realty, so I want to point out that I do not believe that Platinum Realty is anywhere on this first page. Actually, stlrealtors.com is everywhere, so they're definitely doing their homework to get on this first page here. So they're doing a good job. But more importantly than that, I want to point out that even though you're an individual agent, you can have your own Google My Business page. So as you can see, David Townsend, Jacobs Meyer, we have Scott Gilbert, Joe Mendelson, Sandy Bender. So point is, get your own Google My Business page and get yourself some citations. First of all, that'll get you into this map pack, okay? So for the purposes of this video, we're going to use Scott Gilbert because he is with Platinum Realty. Now, I don't know if he's the owner of your brokerage or what's going on. Point is, he has a Google My Business page, and this is what we're going to use for the purposes of this video. So first of all, this is what it looks like. Pretty basic profile. You got your address, your hours, your phone. You can either use your office address or you can use your home address, and then you can hide it from the public so nobody knows where you live if that's where you're operating out of your house. But then we recommend 25 minimum reviews. So obviously Scott has only 5. Obviously the more reviews the better, but we recommend 25. At minimum though, you want to have more than your competitors. So 6 reviews, that's going to be what you want off the bat, but shoot for that 25 number. And then also photos. So we recommend 10 photos, which it looks like Scott may have well above that 10 number. So we recommend you get 10 photos. And then again, just make sure you save those photos properly. So moving forward, I'll get back to this. Scott's website is here. So that's why I don't know if this is Scott's personal website or if this is the website for Platinum Realty in general. I'm not quite certain, but point is, this is a basic website. This is what it looks like. You can either build one yourself, or really it's not that expensive compared to the amount of one real estate transaction, cost, but or profit or whatever. But point is, content. So Google and all search engines love content. The more content you have, the more value you bring to the world. And so the higher up and the more visible these search engines like Google are going to make your page be. But content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so, especially in real estate websites, given the fact that you're going to have so many photos with the IDX feed and with just having all these photos on your website, you want to make sure that you save the photos the right way. Very big deal. A lot of times when we upload photos to the computer, the computer creates a file name for it that we didn't decide. So usually it's just random letters and numbers. And I went through Scott's website here, and a lot of these are just saved as random numbers and letters. Well, if you realize that how your photos are saved is read on the back end, obviously you're going to want to put some valuable words in there so that search engines find it for those valuable words. So that's what's important, how you save your photos. And that's what brings me back to this Google My Business page. We recommend you have those 10 photos minimum, and then make sure you save those the right way as well. So very important. That with some citation packs, you can be well on your way to, obviously beating Scott, but then, you know, getting up there in the first 3 positions where everybody wants to be. So, okay, and then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So once you get your backlink, or once you get your domain, you're going to get backlinks. What a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. So anywhere that stlouisliving.info for Scott, anywhere that that can be found, or let's say you do one that's, you know, catinanunley.com, or, you know, whatever you want your website to be. Wherever it's at is going to give you a backlink. The thing to keep in mind is not all backlinks are created equal. So as you can see, Scott has 36 backlinks from 5 referring domains, but his domain rating is a 0.6. So that's a 0.6 out of 100. That's very low. So you want to make sure your backlinks come from sites that are relevant to the business and that are not spammy, and that's what's going to give you power. You can think of your domain rating as power, and the more power you have, the more visibility you're going to be on the web. So very important. Do your homework when it comes to backlinks. Some are free, some you pay for, but other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, into your life, and bring you some more money and leads. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.